Very good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 8, Combustion, Fuel and Flames. This particular chapter we are going to discuss of 8th class. Within this Within this particular class, we are discussing upon a subtopic called as combustion. Already, we have completed one class regarding combustion. What is called as combustion? Combustion is nothing but what? Any material, if you take it up, in presence of oxygen, any material, if it is reacting with oxygen, in presence of air, it liberates what? Heat will be get generated. Heat will be get generated, that is called as combustion. Example, if I take charcoal. Coal, if I am heating it up, if I am burning it in presence of oxygen, what happens there? It liberates or it generates heat. Based upon that heat only, ironing can be taken place. That is working upon what? Combustion process. These combustion are of 3 types. How many types, children? 3 types. First one is rapid combustion. Second one is spontaneous combustion. Third one is explosion combustion. How many types I said there? 3 types. First one is rapid combustion. Second one is spontaneous combustion. Third one is explosion combustion. Coming to first one, what is the first one? Rapid combustion. Rapid itself means what? Within fraction of seconds. Within fraction of seconds, rapid combustion means what? Substance will be get burst in short period of time itself only. The substance will be get burst in short period of time. That is nothing but what we can call that particular. If any substance, if it is bursting up within short period of time, we can call that type. What type of combustion is taking place there? Rapid combustion is taking place. Example, so many examples are there. You take a lighter and just LPG gas stove is there, just switch on the button and just put it up, just light that particular one. What happened there? Fire catches up within short period of time. It bursts up in the form of fire. A best example is that one. Take a matchstick, rub it on surface of matchbox. What happened? As we rub it up on surface of matchbox, within short period of time it attained fire. That is also one more example we can give it up. Another example what we can give it up there itself, welding purpose. If you go for a welder shop, there 2 types of material will be get used. That is what? Oxyacetylene flame will be there. Material, the substance is used to give fire or flame. That is of 2 types. One is oxyhydrogen flame. Other one is oxyacetylene flame. As he switched on that particular oxyacetylene flame or oxyhydrogen flame and lighting it with a matchstick, what happened? It burst up in the form of fire. That type of combustions would be called as nothing but what? Rapid combustions. Means substance, if it get burst within short period of time, we can call it as what? Nothing but rapid combustion. Next one is what? Spontaneous combustion. What does it mean? Spontaneous combustion means what? Substance catches fire by itself. As soon as it is reaching to igniting temperature, what happened? It catches fire by itself. No other material, no other flame we are inserting near it up. By itself, if it is catching fire, we can call that particular substance as it reaches igniting temperature. as it reaches igniting temperature, it catches fire by itself. That type of combustion could be called as nothing but what? Spontaneous combustion. What combustion? Spontaneous combustion. Examples. Let me give. Recently, last year, we have seen that in Amazon forest. Suddenly, what happened there? The forest had caught with a fire. Who lighted that particular fire there? No one. But suddenly what happened, as it reaches that particular igniting temperature, fire by itself it attained. It itself caught a fire. Due to that reason, total Amazon forest, maximum Amazon forest has been get burnt up. That type of combustion, if it is taking place, we can call it as nothing but what? Spontaneous combustion, we can give it up. Not only that one, if I go for white phosphorus, if I am taking it outside and keeping it for a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade. How many degrees centigrade? 35 degrees centigrade if I am maintaining, if I am keeping that one. That means what? If it reaches 35 degrees centigrade, it ignites fire. It catches fire. It is attaining the temperature of what? Ignition temperature. Therefore, automatically that particular substance will be get burnt up. By this we can say that material suddenly burns into fire without giving any other fire substances near to that particular material. That type of combustion, if it takes place, we can call that particular combustion as spontaneous combustion. What combustion? Spontaneous combustion, we can call it up. Next one is what? Regarding explosion combustion. What does it mean, explosion combustion? All at suddenly, what happened there? Evolution will be taken place. A solid suddenly it will be get burst up. Due to that reason, what happened there? Evolution of heat will be taken place. Evolving of heat will be taken place. Evolving of light will be taken place. And evolving of sound also will be taken place there. And these three particles, these three things will be taken place. First one is what? Evolving of heat as the substance suddenly bursts up. Evolution of what? Temperature will be taken place. Heat will be get evolved. Light will be get evolved. Simultaneously sound also will be get evolved. Not only that one, enormous amount of gas. Enormous amount of gas, the substance what they have used within that particular one also will be get liberated. Example, during Diwali crackers, we'll use explosives. As we are using explosive, as we are lighting it up, suddenly it will be get burst up with a sound. As it is bursting up, it is giving light, it is giving heat energy, it is giving light, it is giving heat energy. Not only that one, sound also it is producing. Sutili bomb, we can call it up. Even you're lighting Sutili bomb, what happened there? It explodes suddenly. As it bursts suddenly, it is releasing heat, it is releasing light, it is releasing what? Sound also, enormous amount of sound can be get heard. Not only that one, and exposure of gas will be get liberated around it in the form of fume. We can see there itself a large amount of gas can be get liberated. That type of combustion is called as explosion combustion. We can call it up. What we can call it up? Explosion combustion. We'll see it up in movies, in pictures. We'll be seeing it up. Terrorists, what they will do? They will keep a bomb in a city. As they are keeping bomb in a city, what happened there itself? Suddenly, if it get burst up, what happened there itself? Recently in Arab countries, we have seen it up. A bomb has been get exploded there itself near Israel, Palestinian state places. Palestinian state, within that one, a bomb has been get explodes. As the bomb explodes, what happened? It bursts up, evolution of heat will be taken place, light will be taken place, as well as sound also will be get heard. Not only these three things, enormous amount of heat also will be get evolved. If that type of explosion, if it is taking place, we'll call that one as what? Explosion combustion. What combustion we can call it up? Explosion combustion. That is regarding combustion and types of combustion we have completed. Next one is what? We are going into activity 2. Before going into activity 2, what we require, what are the need for the combustion process? To continue the combustion process, what things are required? What things are required to continue one process? To continue the process of combustion, we require 3 different materials. 3 different things are required. First one is air. Second one is fuel. Third one is heat. These are the 3 requirements to have to perform a combustion process. The 3 different things are nothing but what? Air, fuel as well as heat are required to perform what? Combustion process. When it comes to air, what it will give air? Air consisting of innumerable number of gases. Among that oxygen percentage is existing, among that oxygen is existing, and oxygen is good supporter for lighting. Therefore, air supports oxygen. Air supports what? Oxygen, it will be get supporting. Next one is what? Fuel. The fuelic substance we have to add it up. For what purpose we have to add up fuelic substances? To burn. Next one is what? Heat. To ignite temperature. To ignite temperature or increase temperature. These are the 3 requirements required for the purpose to perform a combustion process. Among that, now we are performing activity 2. That activity 2 gives information about what? To determine that. What was the statement we can give it up? Activity 2, testing the necessity of air for combustion process. Activity 2 gives information about what? Testing the air. Testing, we are testing it up that air is necessary for combustion. Air is necessary for what purpose? For combustion purpose, we are going to perform that particular activity. Means what? Testing the necessity of air for combustion process. Whether to perform a combustion process, air will play a vital role there itself. That particular activity now we are going to perform. To perform that activity, we require, first one is what? A glass tumbler. This is what? A glass tumbler, we can call it up. We require a glass tumbler. Next one is what? A candle is required. And next one is what? Matchbox is required. And we are going to perform this activity on table. Table is also required there itself. Now coming to activity procedure. Place a table at a place. On the surface of the table, take 2 candles. Take 2 candles. Place it up, light it up and just place it, fix firmly it on surface of table. Fix firmly on surface of table. As you are fixing firmly on surface of table and lighting that particular matchstick, the candle starts giving light. Candle starts giving light, it starts burning due to presence of air consisting of oxygen. Therefore, oxygen will be get supplied for that particular reaction, so that candle starts burning. Candle starts burning. 2 candles will be get burned up. Then afterwards, take a glass tumbler. I am taking what? A glass tumbler. I have taken it up. And what I am doing this particular glass tumbler? Placing exactly inwardly. Invert it upon the glass tumbler and place it over candle, which is burning with the flame. place it over a candle at 2 of what? This is first candle and this is second candle. On second candle, just you place it up. As you are placing it up, within few minutes, we'll observe that the candle flickers. What happens in itself? The candle will be get flickers and it will be get put off. What makes this particular candle to be get flick off as well as put off? To understand that particular activity, again what you do, take out the tumbler and light that particular mastic. Light that particular candle with the mastic. So candle starts burning with the flame. Again what you do, take that particular glass tumbler, inwardly place it on surface of the candle. As you are placing inwardly on surface of the candle, what happens? Slowly after a few minutes, you will observe that the candle flickers. As the candle flickers, as it is flickering, at that time what you do, hold that particular glass tumbler and just raise it up in air for 1 minute. Again what happens? The candle burns. Again you place that particular tumbler on the surface of the table and wait it. Again after a few minutes, you will observe that the flame will be get flicker little bit slowly. As it is flickering, again you raise that particular tumbler up. So that we can understand clearly that air is required. Air is required to burn that particular candle and give flame. Therefore, we understood that we tested that air is the necessity of air. What necessity of the air is the necessity of the air is very, very important, plays a vital role in combustion process. In what process? Combustion process. But we know clearly that to perform a combustion process, the requirements are, we require three things. One is air, other one is fuel, third one is what? Heat. These three things will play an essential role, an important role to perform combustion reaction. Within this, we have clearly identified that the first one, that is what? Air. First one, what it is there? Air. The necessity of air will play a vital role within combustion reaction. By this we have completed our activity, children. Try to analyze this particular concept carefully. Try to differentiate this concept, what is combustion and how many types of combustions are there. And as well as activity 2 and gain knowledge by watching number of times. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.